cake containers. Like, I don't even know who make those. Why they're so noisy? When you pull it at night time, bag of noise in that area. Everybody wake up looking who opening the cake in the fridge. I was trying to do it silently. Somebody will look by you on them, make it as him. If you're broke right now, it's your fault. I did not choose to be here.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Russian for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
And give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back with the next YouTube video. So guys, as you can see by title and the thumbnail today, well, this actually a part 3, my biggest pet peeve. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Like, stop. Why I do them something here to me? You know what I'm saying? So before getting this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know say subscribe free, no money not for pay. And if you're there so from TikTok, make sure you comment down below say I'm there from TikTok. So guys, we'll get straight into the video. Come on, if no lizard, I gotta come out. I'm afraid of lizard. Alright guys, so my first pet peeve is like if I got you one influencer or one celebrity comment, I'm see somebody in a comment, then just I hate upon them or then just bad mind. I want to go up on them page. When we go up on them page, why they look like somebody anti-foot back? Why they not ready? Sometimes I saw some big people like you know have something for them, I feel like if it stop. Then just in a comment I say something, but then just I say something harsh, something I just don't sit right. And then them when somebody reply, them I argue back. Who would sit up in a comment section and just type something bad about somebody and just chilling? I said it's there. Like people like that when they go up on them page, they have a nerve to put up them pictures still. And sometimes I worst of the worst. Alright guys, my next one is like if me see one bug or one lizard, I'm really afraid of it, and somebody have a nerve to look at me and tell me say, oh, I just a lizard, I just a bug, you're bigger than me. What that supposed to mean? What that supposed to really mean? You know, feel like myself afraid. Oh, it's just a lizard, it's just a bug. I am always afraid. You never hear about David and Goliath? The little one thumped and the big one like. My next pet peeve is like when somebody argue, two person argue, or you're somebody argue, and then keep on or repeat themselves over and over like lick me now, lick me now, lick me now, like lick me now. First of all, pick something else, other words in other world. You just another that, another that. Another that, do it now, do it now, do it now. Like, stop. Understand it's a moment of looking who I got throw the first punch. What is the situation? I'm not gonna argue, I'm gonna fight, but you stand up on the top bone. Another that, lick me now, lick me now, lick me now. Like, why keep on repeat yourself? Me hate that. Like, oh, please. If you ever argue with me, God forbid in the future, do not stand up and repeat yourself over and over. Another that. Who?
Hey, chop.
Don't ever, please. If you want to piss me off, or if you want to get thumped first, when me and you argue, just repeat yourself. Lick me now, lick me now, lick me now, like, lick me now. Could they? All you have to do is stop, repeat yourself. And that wouldn't have happened to you.
Okay.
But you keep on repeat yourself. You feel me? Next one is, oh my gosh, like, stop. When famous people are people who make it and come give out a motivational speech, and their motivational speech, they make it seem so easy, like, oh my gosh, quick and fast, and then take 13 years for each of them, which is understandable because a part of the process. But this is how their motivational speech be. You're sitting home broke, scrolling on the phone. Go and get money. Money is out there. Where there? Cause if me know where they there, you think I'm gonna take it up long time? You don't think I'm gonna take it up long time if me know which part it there? You don't feel like I'm gonna take it up? God, please don't let me stay like this. I want to be very much clear and making people them understand. Somebody will look upon you on them, make it answer. If you're broke right now, it's your fault. I did not choose to me I try to get myself out of the situation. Like, I totally understand. But when I go look for me, I tell me, say, my fault, I'm broke. Everybody broke around me.
Hello. Look here, man.
But we're trying to elevate ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Take step by step. But oh my gosh. Alright guys, the next one is cake containers. Like, we not even know who make those. Why they're so noisy? When you pull it at night time, bag of noise in that area. Everybody wake up looking who opening the cake in the fridge. I was trying to do it silently, and even if I cough, I said people still got ear. Because why cake container if it's so loud? You know why? I feel like a person who make cake container do it for spite, he will eat less. And don't addicted or eat too much cake. Because why would you make the cake container so noisy? You don't feel like it will organize of people's head. When me open it, everybody are ear. Why everybody are ear when me open me? You worse than that when me try open my bag of chips at night. Gosh. My next pet peeve is when people embarrass you in front of other people to make everybody laugh. Don't ever, where take me for? You take me for a little joke? Where take me for? Where take me for? You take me as a little pick a joke? When you're bored, you just use me for everybody laugh. When you're room quiet, you just say, oh, let me just go pick on this girl and let everybody laugh. No, I am not one of those. Why you try to play with me like that? Why you try to play with me like that? Y'all go use me now to make everybody laugh. Me look like the center of attention. Me not even like attention. Don't do that. Me not even like attention. Stop. Stop. Back away from me. Yo, you know some people still like this. Some people actually still like this in this world. Like you actually have one chain. This is one of my next people. Me never plan to say. But like if me have one chain or something, me have one will look good today. This is how Jamaican compliment you. Oh, that chain look good. Where your teeth from? Oh, your ear look good. I am mother do it because I know you can't do ear.
Hey, Chuck, Father God.
I feel like I feel one way. And you say it in front of everybody. When you feel like them I look this way. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie. My next one is when people defend other people for them bad behavior or their ugly attitude. For example, one friend stay bad and she keep on and walk around and say, hey, picky ear girl, or something so offensive. And when our friend laugh and as a Habrika stay man, she always play around. Tell Habrika say, play around with she and our friend them and you. But this way, Habrika will not play.
Okay.
Because I understand why you try to cover up that ugly, so ugly attitude. But oh, so she stay like me hate people with different ugly attitude like me if you understand how she stay. I never meet her yet. This is my first time meeting her. Like I'm the first time literally seeing Habrika. Yeah, tell me. Also Habrika stay man. Oh, me if you know that. How should I know that? What me if you stay know that? Also she stay man. She always a joke around. That have nothing to do with me. It's just some offensive women like me I gotta respond. R. Oh. She always do that. I want one big situation escalate now. I saw her friend and run come in. Oh, I saw she stay man. I don't know why she take her so serious. A joke, she a joke.
Side eye.
I don't know her. You know her? Because I don't know her. How about telling her what you talk to people? And everybody knows you're seriously. Look at that. That was a great way you could tell her. But you didn't. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. This I last but not least. But this one is when me get mad or somebody just irritate me and somebody tell me calm down. Matter of fact, me go calm up. Cause why you da look at me and tell me calm down? You see me angry, I'm raging, me angry, me irritated. You see me I breathe in, breathe out, me I try control who me feel like first. And you come tell me calm down? Who? People, that is not the way how you resolve a situation. Don't come tell the most angry person calm down. No, I'm not even mad at the person, I'm mad at you. Like calm the wish down. I call me, I go calm up like I don't like that. And then the situation when you're angry for they act like they're never angry. People are human are people. Like when you're angry. It is a part of life. When people get mad, they get mad. And sometimes you just have to wait till they calm down before you run in and say calm down. That just gonna make them angry more. You know what I'm saying? So next time when I see a very angry person ready for thump out your eye, don't run up and say calm down. Just wait till they calm down. Back away from them. Because them can get very irritated. But guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't say subscribe free. The money enough to pay. A little bit more on later. Bye. Cute. Stop, me look too pretty today. Oh my gosh. Am I a real person? I actually do my hair by myself like last night or night before last night.
Professional in a sentence for me.
This is Channel Narration for TVJ News.